కాబట్టి ఒక హై పవర్ కమిటీని ఏర్పాటు చేసి ఈ ఎంటైర్ ప్రక్రియను ఈ యొక్క మూల్యాంకనం వాళ్ళ యొక్క మార్క్స్ను ఏ విధంగా అసెస్మెంట్ చేయాలని చెప్పి మరి నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవాలనో ఆ కమిటీ సిఫార్సుల మేరకు త్వరలోనే నిర్ణయించడం జరుగుతుంది. అట్లాగే ఇతర బోర్డులు కూడా ఇప్పటికే ఎగ్జామినేషన్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయడం వలన మనకు కూడా మన విద్యార్థులు కూడా ఏ విధంగా కూడా నష్టపోకుండా, ఎందుకంటే ఈ యొక్క డెడ్ లైన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఈ 31 జూలై డెడ్ లైన్ కామన్గా అన్ని రాష్ట్రాల్లో మరి దీన్ని వర్తింపచేసే దిశగా సుప్రీంకోర్టు ఆర్డర్లు మరి ఉండడం వలన ఈరోజు జరిగినటువంటి ఈ యొక్క సుప్రీంకోర్టులోని చర్చల నేపథ్యంలో వారు ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఆర్డర్లను సుప్రీంకోర్టు ఆర్డర్ను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని ఈ యొక్క ఇంటర్మీడియట్ పరీక్షలను రద్దు చేయడం జరిగిందని చెప్పి తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాం. అదేవిధంగా ఈ యొక్క పరిస్థితుల్ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలు కూడా రద్దు చేయడం జరిగిందని చెప్పి కూడా తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. Absolutely, there is no indecisiveness on the part of the government right from the day one till today in the morning, right, including the affidavit filed before the Honorable Supreme Court. We have time and again we have mentioned it that we are ready to conduct the examinations duly following all the protocols, including 15 students for every room, and then maintaining physical distances and following absolutely to the last core of the points of the standard COVID-19 protocols. We have been telling very clearly, and this is the second best option available with the government. Cancellation is the second best option. The best option is always government have been telling that we want to, keeping in view of the future of the students. Our Honorable CM also have been telling repeatedly, and then we have also told that we are ready. We are ready with the conducting examinations, and we have filed the same thing in the affidavit. In the affidavit filed before the Honorable Supreme Court. Where is the question of confusion at all? We have been telling, we told very, very clearly, including today. You can see all the papers also carried that in the affidavit also we have mentioned how actually we are going to conduct it. But now that the Honorable Supreme Court has fixed the deadlines, has fixed the deadlines. The deadlines is 10 days. Within 10 days, you have to enumerate the entire the scheme of assessment of the marks, and then the internal assessment marks also, and the results also had to be, announced by 31st July, which is absolutely not possible in the given circumstances, because I have been telling, not now, before also, that we require this number of days. My secretary is there next to me, Direct Secretary Board of Intermediate Education, and my principal secretary is also there. If you want, you can clarify with them. We have given the time required for each stage, the announcement of the notification, so that sufficient number of days had to be given to the students for preparing for the examinations. Because generally we give 10 to 15 days for announcing after announcement of the schedule for conducting the examination. And 7 papers are there, alternative days we have to conduct, and earlier schedule also we have said, if you start the examination in the month of July, and then it will go up to July 27. And then thereafter we require another 15 days for evaluation, and then finally publication of results. So where is the question? Now, since Honorable Supreme Court has given a ruling, and then today in the court they have given the orders that what is the time limit to be followed, and there is no option, and then our students should not be put to any inconvenience, because this is very ambitious time schedule of concluding the examinations. So in the best interest of the students, second option we have exercised, and then we are cancelling the examinations. We have given almost 1 month back. We have given the schedule. If you want, I'll give a copy of the schedule. The schedule for conducting of examinations, for intermediate examinations, has been given almost 15 to 20 days back, and then it will be commencing from July 7th. The entire state knows about it. It was there. We have published the schedule. It was there. The schedule is very much there on record. And then why Supreme Court never asked